Hi and welcome to another video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix F1 2023. So fixing F1 2023 issues such as not working, crashing, or it has black screen, it has low FPS, or no sound, or failing to launch can involve several troubleshooting steps. So I'm going to show you some potential solutions that you can try. So let's get on. So first, what you can do is to update graphics drivers. So outdated or incompatible graphics drivers can cause various issues with games. So you need to visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest drivers for your specific model and install the updated drivers and restart your computer. Next is to verify game files. So if you're experiencing issues with the game, there may be corrupted or missing files. Use the game's built-in file verification feature or a platform like Steam to verify the integrity or the file or the of to verify the integrity of the game files. So this process will replace any damaged or missing files. So next is you need to adjust graphic settings. So lowering the graphic settings can help improve performance and stability. In the game's options menu, you can reduce the graphical settings such as the resolution, texture quality, like the shadows and anti-aliasing. And additionally, try running the game in windowed mode to see if it resolves any crashing or black screen issues. Next is you can disable background applications. So other running programs or background processes can consume system resources and interfere with the game performance. So you can close unnecessary applications if possible, especially resource intensive ones like web browsers, streaming softwares, or antivirus programs. Like before launching the game. Next is to check the system requirements. So ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements of F1 2023. You need to pay attention to the CPU, GPU, or the RAM on and storage requirements. If your hardware falls short, it may result in poor performance or even crashes or failure to launch. So next is you need to update DirectX. F1 relies on DirectX to run correctly, right? So you need to make sure you have the latest version of DirectX installed on your system. You can download and install it from official Microsoft website. So next is to run as administrator. So launch the game with administrative privileges to ensure it has the necessary permissions to access required files and resources. Just right-click on the game's executable file or shortcut, then select Run as Administrator and see if it resolves the issues. So next is disable overclocking. If you have overclocked your CPU or GPU, try reverting them to their default clock speeds. Overclocking can cause instability in some games and lead to crashes or other issues. So next is to update or reinstall sound drivers. If you're experiencing no sound in the game, ensure that your sound drivers are up to date. So visit the website of your sound card manufacturer and download the latest drivers. And alternatively, try uninstalling and reinstalling the sound drivers. So next one is of course scan for malware. Malware or viruses can interfere with the game performance. We all know that. Just run a repeatable antivirus or anti-malware scan on your system to detect and remove any potential threats. And lastly, you can contact support. If none of the above mentioned works, It is recommended to reach out to the F1 or 2023 support team or check their official forums or known issues and possible solutions. Provide them with detailed information about your problem for more specific assistance. And remember that these troubleshooting steps may not resolve all issues. As the causes can vary, it is always a good idea to check for updates and patches from the game's developer and community forums for specific solutions related to F1 2023. And that is all for this video. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you won't miss any video. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye.